a whooping 95% out to you and I. And how does the payment come? Longrich pays us 10 different ways. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the number of ways that Longrich pays us. Each week, those 10 different ways come to us. The first way Longrich pays is called the retail bonus. Yes, as the name goes, retail bonus. Retail bonus is very simple. Anyone who wants to consume a product, who is a consumer, before they can get a product, you are the only medium, you are the only channel through which they get a product. When you get a product from the company and dispose to them, the difference between the purchase price and the selling price is your retail bonus. And this is paid immediately to you. You don't need to go to the office for purchase. Number two, our second commission is called the performance bonus. As the name goes, performance simply means the total activities done in each week by the organization that you belong to. As the activities are accumulated, they categorize it as points. And at the end of the week, they take the total points and pay you a percentage based on how you partnered with the company or your entry level. We have 4 major entry levels. The first one is called silver, the second one is called gold, the third one is called platinum, and then VIP. If you entered into the business as a silver, every week, whatever activity that takes place in the organization, you are paid 8%. If you entered in as gold, you are paid 10%. If you entered in as platinum, you are paid 12%. But if you enter in as VIP, you are paid 12% weekly, and then monthly you are paid 1% on the global profit of the company. That is the performance bonus. And with performance bonus, you earn unlimited. Unlimited means there's no cap. If you make $1 billion this week, you are giving that money. Exactly. Number two, with performance bonus, you don't earn, there's no cap on the number of people you can earn. You can earn on unlimited number of people, infinity. And remember, it's paid every week. The next one I want to talk to you about is our development bonus. Yes, development bonus. In Longrich International, the smart way to build this business is to technically refer 3 people. If you refer 3 people in this business, you can max the compensation plan. So the moment your 3 people are in place, your development bonus get activated. And how is development bonus paid? Every week, Longrich International pays you 10% on each person in your genealogy in the development bonus. And they pay unlimited. Unlimited means if you make $1 billion this week, you are giving that money. And they pay on unlimited layers. It doesn't matter the number of people. If you have over 10,000 people, 1 billion people, Longrich pays you development bonus on all of them unlimited. That is the development bonus. The next one is leadership bonus. As the name goes, leadership bonus allows you to earn on everyone in your generation up to 12 generation. And leadership bonus is paid based on your rank. Your rank means that when you join the business, after some time, you accumulate some points, and those points move you up and up and up. The first level is called Diamond 1. You have the next Diamond 2, the next Diamond 3, Diamond 4, Diamond 5, Diamond 6, up to Diamond 7. When you get Diamond 7, you enter into the stars. And stars, we have Star 1 up to Star Director 5. The next bonus is our retail product bonus. Remember, I told you, as people buy products, they are making the bonus. But if they are under you, as they are buying product and selling product, Longrich International pays you 4.5% up to 15 levels. What that simply means is the people you got, whilst they are buying product under you to sell, Longrich pays you, who doesn't know anything about it, 4.5% on whatever purchases they make up to 15 level. That is the retail order bonus. One wonderful thing about Longrich International is they have tangible, real life incentives and awards. And the first incentive is the free travel incentive. Every year we have 4 destinations. China and Dubai is constant. And then Singapore, Malaysia, USA are alternatives that is attached. When Longrich gives you the travel incentive, your accommodation, flight, your feeding, everything is taken care of. And on top of it, pocket money is giving you as you are there, so you can spend as you are there. One Bible thing is that when you go to those countries or those nations, Longrich takes you to all the exciting places, all the exciting areas, cities of those nations. The second amazing incentive, I say amazing because this is a dream of any smart person, and that is the free car. I'm smiling because the first time I heard this, I thought it was just one of those things. And like I got my first car within 5 months. Longrich allows you to walk away with a free car after you have made some points. And every year they give. So far in Ghana, Longrich has given over 12 cars already. In Nigeria, over 300 cars for the past 2.5, 3 years that they've been there. And it's normal to just buy a car. I see it is blessed to have a car for free. And that is what Longrich brings to pass. The next incentive is our free education or educational scholarship. Longrich has a university and they allow partners like you and I to have a 4-year scholarship. Yes, 4 years. If you already have your degree, you can do the master's for 2 years for free. And notice, if you don't want to go, you can write a letter giving it to somebody else, either your son, a sibling, a friend, but a letter needs to be signed by you. Now me, I don't want to go to school again. ABC should go, and Longrich honor that. The next one, which is so amazing, which shoots me off my seat, is the free house. Oh yes, I mean free house. Longrich gives you $150,000 worth of house for free. In Nigeria, several people have taken it. In Ghana, some people are almost there. And this is amazing opportunity. Somebody asked me, why are they giving so much? Longrich started the multi-level marketing aspect 5 years ago, even though they have been in existence for 30 years. But in these 30 years, they produced for several OEMs, like Marks & Spencer, Walmart that I've just mentioned. So as part of their social responsibility, they brought in the multi-level marketing aspect to allow you and I, who cannot work to register general department, to register our company, to get our own office, to get our own staff, to get all the infrastructure in place, to leverage on their system. That is why I started by saying that how many of us wanting to do an advert will have to go and set up a radio station? But rather, you just go to the radio station, and you do your ad, and you get your result. Longrich says that use our platform, come and partner with us, come and be our affiliate, come and be our independent distributor, and use our platform. You are the only liaison, the only medium through which our product goes out to the world. So, how do I partner with Longrich? How do you become a partner with Longrich? I know you're excited, you love what you have just seen, you love the product, and you love the compensation. But Longrich has 4 ways you can partner with them. The first one is called the VIP. The VIP package is for those who want to come in big, those who want to just take the business to the highest height. And that package comes with 11,500 Ghana cedis. It's for the big investors, and the returns are higher than all the other packages. As a VIP, every week you earn a 12% performance bonus I've mentioned to you about. Number 2, every month you earn 1% of the global profit of the company. And ultimately, any money you pay to Longrich, it's not for free. It's not registration fee, neither is it processing fee. The money you pay, the 11,500, the product giving you in return, when you dispose the product or sell the product, you are making double your money. In other words, you are making your money back with excess of the same money. So from the one you invest that money, your money is gotten back with profit. That's the VIP package. The next package is the platinum package for those who think 11,500 is too much. Platinum package comes with only 7,200 Ghana cedis. And note again, with the platinum package, each week you are entitled to the 12% performance bonus I've just mentioned. And then remember, there's no money again you pay to Longrich that they don't give you product in return. So the product they give you in platinum is far more than your money. So when you choose to sell every product, you are making your money back 100% with profit, excess, almost the same as the money you started with. The next package for those who still think, 7,000 is too much, is the gold package. The gold package is 1,750. 1,750 allow you to earn 10% every week on the performance bonus. And of course, the gold package also allows you to get enough products to make your money back with excess. That's profit. And of course, for those, the youngsters, the university graduates who still want to own business but don't have that money, Longrich come in as a silver. As a silver, you just start the business with only 950 Ghana cedis. Yes, 950 Ghana cedis. And again, 950 Ghana cedis allows you to earn the performance bonus of 8% every week. And the 950 also allows you to earn product that is far worth more than the 950. When you sell, you are making over 1,200 and something Ghana cedis thereabout. And Longrich allows you to partner with them in any of these packages. If you come in on this package and you want to move to the other level or the other package, you don't pay the entire amount, you only pay the difference. For example, if you start with 950, you want to move to gold, 1,750, you don't pay 1,750, you pay 1,750 minus 950. That is how Longrich allows you. And note again, registering with Longrich is free. But to authenticate your franchisee with Longrich, you need to purchase the product in this package. And finally, note that after coming on in these packages, you can walk to Longrich office to buy any amount you want to buy. 100 CDs, 50 CDs, 20 CDs. But for you to be able to activate that, you need to enter with any of these 4 packages. And that is what allows you. And note this. Because we use the concept of leverage, which is what the smart people use, the earlier you come, the better for you, because it allows you to earn on the subsequent people that come after you. If you should wait and wait and wait, you come in all right, but you go down because whoever you came to be, you go under them. Timing is very essential and crucial in our industry. That's why we say, look, the choice is yours to either decide or walk away. And I always tell people, look, your choice is what determines your life. Who you are today and what you are today were a result of the choices you made yesterday. And remember, what you be tomorrow are definitely going to be the choices you are making now. Some 5 months ago, I made a decision to join the company. I made the decision to take, the step that you are about to take. And within 4 months, I got a free car. I could have missed it if I chose not to take it. In conclusion, don't forget, number 1, Longrich pays, don't forget these 7 keys. Now, Longrich pays weekly, number 1. Number 2, there are no targets. No one put any duress on you that every month, every week, every day, meet this. It is at your own pace. Number 3, no auto ship, meaning every month you are not mandated to buy a number of products. Number 4, you can open multiple accounts. You can open multiple accounts. You can register your spouse, you can register your children like I've done. You can register your friends, you can register yourself even severally. Number 5, free monthly product. Every month there are promotions that allows us to earn free product. And of course, number 6, free traveling trips. International trips. Number 6, win free car. And of course, number 7, selling is not a must. Meaning you are not mandated to carry product on your head and go and sell. It is business development. You developing your business by referring other people who refer other people and who refer other people. Remember, sometimes the thing that is holding us back is not our money. It's not money. It's not the family we find ourselves, but it is our mindset. This is the business of the 21st century, and this allows us to have the world as our market. In the 21st century, if you are not online, you are out of the world. If your business is not online, you are out of business. Longrich allows you to have a free back office, a free website when you join the company that is free for life, and you access and you see whatever your activities who are joining your team, how much you have earned, and remember, they pay you into your personal bank account every Thursday in Ghana. John Scully once said, the future belongs to those who see possibilities before they become obvious. That's why Bill Gates said, if you are born poor, it's not your fault. But if you should die poor, it's your fault. You just watch a video that's about to change your life. Because it has already started changing several lives, not only in Ghana, not only in Africa, but in Asia and America. The decision lies on you. And remember, whatever you become tomorrow is based on what you do today. Longrich is here to stay. Longrich is here to explode in Africa, in parts.